Concrete. It's everywhere. The foundation of our homes, the roads we drive on, the bridges we cross. But behind its immense strength lies a hidden vulnerability. Cracks. Tiny at first, but with the potential to grow, compromise, and even cause catastrophic failure. Every year, billions are poured into desperately trying to fix this problem, not to mention the environmental cost of replacing so much concrete. But what if we could change all that? What if concrete could heal itself? The science of concrete. To understand the potential of self-healing, we first need to grasp how concrete works. At its heart, it's a carefully engineered dance of chemistry. Cement powder is essentially a dormant glue. But add water, and a remarkable reaction begins. Crystals form and interlock, binding together sand and rock, giving concrete its incredible strength. The problem with cracks. Sadly, concrete isn't invincible. Over time, forces unseen to the naked eye begin their relentless work. Freezing and thawing cycles, the settling of earth, the weight of vehicles, all create tiny stresses that eventually manifest as cracks. At first, they're mere annoyances. But deep inside, those cracks pose a threat. They expose the steel reinforcement at the heart of so many concrete structures. Water and oxygen seep in, causing the steel to rust and expand. This weakens the entire structure, leading to even worse damage. Self-healing solutions. For decades, repairing concrete has been a reactive battle, but scientists realized, why just patch the problem when we could prevent it? Inspired by how our own bodies mend broken bones, they began developing self-healing concrete. One method uses tiny capsules filled with a special adhesive. When a crack forms, the capsules break, releasing their sticky contents to seal the gap. But the most groundbreaking solution might be even more ingenious: bacteria. Bacteria, the concrete doctors. Certain bacteria and fungi naturally produce a mineral called calcium carbonate. Think of it as the material that makes up seashells. By adding spores of these microbes to the concrete mix, along with nutrients to keep them dormant, we essentially embed tiny sleeping doctors. When a crack forms and water gets in, the bacteria wake up. They feast on the nutrients and, as part of their metabolic process, create calcium carbonate crystals. Over weeks, these crystals fill in and harden, patching up the crack. A more sustainable future. The benefits are astounding. Imagine bridges that never need their cracked joints replaced. Imagine buildings that resist crumbling, lasting far longer. Self-healing concrete could cut repair costs dramatically, make our infrastructure safer, and revolutionize the construction industry. Less frequent repairs mean fewer materials used, and a massive reduction in concrete waste clogging our landfills. While this technology is still being perfected, ensuring the bacteria don't cause unintended problems. The potential is vast. One day soon, our cities might be less like static concrete jungles and more like living organisms able to repair their own wounds. Self-healing concrete isn't just a clever trick, it represents a shift in how we build, a reminder to look to the ingenious solutions nature has developed over millions of years, a step toward a future where our world is not just strong, but resilient.
Thank you guys for watching the video till end. I hope you liked this video. And if you do, please don't forget to like this video and share it in your circle. Also, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified with every upload we do frequently. Thank you, bye.